Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about what's an outdoor PoE powered switch. Well, first let's get a refresh memory of what is a PoE powered switch. Well, the PoE technology is simply just power and data going from the supplied equipment to the powered device. And the PoE powered switch can act as both so think of reaching out to the field. It will act as a powered device which receives power and data and then expands it and sends it to multiple other powered devices. So it can act as both. Now, an outdoor PoE powered device, like a powered switch like this one, you can see that the metal casing here makes it very hard to penetrate. When we seal all these 4 screws in, the whole casing is just impenetrable. So like with water and dust, it's waterproof and dustproof. That's why it's rated IP67. Really good to just directly bury it underground. And also it's designed with a very wide temperature interval, so it can be very suitable for all varies of weathers, even hot or cold. Also, now let's take a look at the inside. Now the inside here has 8 ports in total, and we have to keep in mind that a powered switch number port 8 is for receiving the power and data from the main network system. So we have to use the number 8 port to connect with our main system to receive the power and data. Then it can expand and put out the power and data for the other 7 ports, and it can the power can reach up to 71 watts. Depends on how many devices you use. And after you connect 8 with our original network, then this can act as a switch in the field without an extra power source attached to it. It's pretty convenient. And this whole switch, it has the bandwidth at 1000 gigabits per second. So also can receive even if at full capacity, all the data can be transferred back, no worries. So how can we benefit from like an outdoor PoE powered switch? Well, first, when we connect to our main system, it reaches the limit 100 meters. Imagine this is 100 meters long, and this is our power supply equipment. We connect it to 8 number ports, number 8, and after that, we can see the indicators will be on. As you can see now, the power indicator here is on. So now it's full of power and data, and we can connect it to all these IP devices here. And since it's outdoor, you know these knobs right here, we have to screw them tightly. And once we use this, it can save us like 7 ports from the main network. If we only have like an 8-port switch for our main network, this can expand 7 more devices, but without taking like 7 ports over there. So it's pretty convenient too. So now I'm going to show you guys to simply connect to 3 IP devices and still make them all more functional. And we have to keep in mind, this is a very suitable device when you're reaching further distance for a PoE network, and it's hard to establish a power source in the area. Like if you want to build up some surveillance cameras in the woods or expand your Wi-Fi network into the woods, this PoE powered switch will allow you to expand the network without worrying about a power source in the outside. A power source in the outside sometimes can be hard because of the weather and the conditions. This will only need one Ethernet cable to transmit the power and data. So we can see all the indicators are on our devices. Here. And on our VoIP phone, everything is currently functioning. So it's really simple. Just plug, install, and find a good place to set up our powered switch. And that's pretty much it. And if you have any more questions about this setup and our outdoor powered switch, you guys can contact me and leave the post and comments in the section below. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.